Welcome back to Yahoo Finance Live this morning. We're taking a look at the major averages down across the board right now. For more on what's taking place and transpiring in today's tape and around the world as well, we've got Yahoo Finance's Jared Blikre standing by. Jared.
That's right. Well, we're looking at a down market today. We have a big OPEX, by the way, tomorrow. That is on the calendar. Could be some OPEX gains in here. But NASDAQ down about 1.24%. I'll get to the sector action in a second. Just want to show you where we are for the S&P 500 on a longer-term basis. Basically, we've been in this uptrend since October, since mid-October, kind of reached what might have been the upper range of that, upper bound. I would say that the 4,000 to 4,100, 4,200 area, huge area for the S&P 500, lots of potential resistance in there. And I really love the comments by Paul Schatz of Heritage Capital just a few minutes ago. There's a huge tailwind in terms of the seasonality. And that's why on this morning's morning brief, I was a bit more bullish than I have been in months, because even if the bottom is not in just yet, probably good to be looking at some winners or some potential winners for that eventual bottom. So here we have all 11 sectors are in the red here. Communication services, the worst off, down less than 2%, followed by materials and utilities. But I want to focus in on what's happening in China. We had some earnings out of Alibaba. You can see that stock is up 1% right now. Here's the year-to-date look. You can see still pretty close to those bottoms. And by the way, I'll give the earnings results in a second. Just want to say that their primary listing in Hong Kong, that whole deal where they were supposed to change that to Hong Kong, that's been delayed now. They could be administrative reasons, hard to pin that down. But getting to their earnings, there was a miss in China commerce revenue. There was a miss in cloud revenue. But despite that, they are buying back $15 billion, an additional $15 billion worth of shares potentially. They also have a huge cash stash, $45 billion, which they were emphasizing. And got to get to some news on Tencent as well. They have cut their Meituan stake, that's a shopping site, by $20 billion. So there is some concern that maybe that would lead to additional selling. But overall, the Chinese stocks here, this is the Golden Dragon Index. Components are showing kind of a mixed market right here. Some winners, some losers. So I think investors will just be happy to take that, I guess, assuming you're in the green.
Really enjoyed your morning brief newsletter as always, Jared Blikre. Thanks so much.
Thank you.